Hello lads, in today's video I'm going to show you how you could download AR Zone in your Samsung entry-level devices. This represents the A0 series, the AO1, the AO2, the AO3, the AO4, and the AO4S, AO3S, AO2S, and AO1S. In the A10 series, this is included, but the features are very limited. The A23 series, the A24 series, smartphones, they do have it, but also limited features. The A50 and the A30 series, A70 series, A40 series. And since I'm running the AO4, I don't have it, but I can obtain it through third-party sites. So I suggest going to Up to Down because it's a renowned site. Excuse me. So you go to AR Zone app and this one, the AR Zone Up to Down. It's a British site. Sorry. So you go to older versions because the newer ones were patched by Samsung. Um, Sad. So let's go to this one and click on to download. You just wait for it to be downloaded. So I'll get back on you when it's done. So now it's finished. Now let's check it out in the download menu. I already downloaded the older version. It didn't work out. So let's try the older versions and let's wait. The newer patches were accompanied with um, the One UI 6 release to S23 series, I think, but One UI 5.1 and One UI 5.1 core for the entry level and mid range to flagship devices. So it's done now, but I'm going to show you guys. Yes, it doesn't open up to the so what I suggest you to do is go to your camera. And now I'm at the camera app. I'm going to show you what's the feature of the AR zone in the Samsung AO4. So you scroll to more and you'll see this option DecoPix. That's the AR zone. So you just click on, you press on the AR zone and you'll see these options. There's the mask, stuff like that. As as I was saying earlier, very limited features. Doesn't have the avatars and something like that, making 3D stuff. But it's AR zone and it's free and it's customizable. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it works out for you, and I hope you find this video helpful for your Samsung Galaxy phone. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe and click the like button and be notified by pressing the bell button. So because I am uploading um, frequent now, I will be uploading frequent now. So thanks again. Bye.